Wanna create something like this in Procreate? Let's get started. First of all, turn on the vertical symmetry. Draw a heart with the help of vertical symmetry with the Monoline brush. Once you're done creating the heart, duplicate the layer. Resize the heart and then just fill the color in the empty spaces. And then duplicate the layer. And then you can just choose liquify option, expand mode, and then just tap on the screen once. And we need to do this a couple of more times, so you can just see it one more time. Duplicate layer, go to liquify, expand setting, and just tap one more, and we will do this 2 more times. And then group these 5 layers, and once you're done grouping, just duplicate the layer and go to the first layer after the background, and then just turn off the layer 1 and duplicate the layer again, and then again turn on the layer, second layer, and as you can see on your screen, we need to continue doing this till the time we reach only layer 1. And I have reached layer 1, and now if you turn on the animation assist, this is what we have so far. Now this also looks pretty good, but we are going to change something over here. First of all, go to the first group with only one layer duplicated, and then we will go to the first layer, alpha lock it, and then color it with yellow. Fill it with yellow, and once you're done with this, then go to the second group, and then with 2 layers, and then again do the same thing. Then go to the fourth one with only layer 3, and then alpha lock it and fill it with yellow. And then go to the second last layer, alpha lock the 4th layer, and then just fill it with yellow, and then finally go to the 5th group, and then alpha lock it and fill it with yellow. And this is what we have so far. This also looks pretty good, and you can just leave it like this if this is what you want, but we are going to do some lettering here. Now go to the first group and write your letters. I have written love you mom, and once you're done with this, then go to the second one, create another layer on top of it, and just use the yellow color and just write on top of it. You can obviously make it more wiggly or less wiggly depending on how different your letters are from the original ones, but I'm not going to change much over here. Then go to the third one and create another layer, and again write with a different color, pink, and I'm basically just keeping it to pink and yellow over here. So once I'm writing with pink, and then the other time I'm writing with yellow, and then pink and then yellow. So that's how it is. So you need to do this for all the layers. So once you reach the last layer, I'll show you the next step after that. Now go to the first group from the top and duplicate it, and then go to the first layer with love you mom, duplicate it, and then we are going to again follow the same process of liquifying. Just tap on it once, and again then duplicate it one more time, and duplicate the first layer, and again liquify it. This is what we have so far, and going pretty fast, so I'm just going to lower the frames per second to 4, and then once you are happy with it, you can just export it as a GIF. You can also change the background color and export it right away. And that's it. Bye bye.